Digital technology refers to something that processes digital data. It includes both information technology, some parts of operational technology, and communication technology. The merging of these three areas gives rise to new functional horizons. Let's dive into this in a bit more detail. Information technology, or IT, is the application of digital technology to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data, often in the context of a business or other kind of organization. The objective of IT is to make information available to end users. Operational technology, or OT, is the application of digital technology for detecting or causing changes in physical devices through monitoring and control. The objective is to use data to do something. Operational devices are supported by communication and information technologies. Communication technology enables IT and OT to be highly mobile and accessible to organizations, consumers, and other stakeholders. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a system of interrelated computing devices and mechanical and digital machines that are interconnected via the Internet, enabling them to send and receive data without human interaction. It has been applied within consumer, commercial, industrial, infrastructure, and military-industrial environments.